Hey guys, it's Ignite Your Flow, and I'm on a little walk out here in the snow. Video about connecting to your inner child. And this is something I've been working on for a while because it has to be a daily practice. And I find the easiest way to do it is to get a picture of your child's self. And you could be like 3 years old, maybe like 5 years old, whatever you find. And I do this in the morning in sort of my like meditation space. And I'll just like take the picture and look at it and kiss my child self. And I say, I love you so much. And like hug her and just like reparent her. Like you're her most wonderful, unconditionally loving mother and unconditionally loving father that your child self could ever have. And it's amazing when you start doing this on a regular basis because you really start feeling that love for yourself and from like the inside out, and nobody can like give it to you like you can. And it's so important too if you're a parent, because it helps you when you see yourself as that child and love yourself, and you can have compassion for yourself and forgiveness, even if you made a mistake that day, like you shouldn't have reacted the way you did or whatever it may have been. You can like go look at your child self and like hug her and say, it's okay, little Cindy, I love you so much. And no matter what, like unconditionally means without conditions. So this I found has helped me be a better mother and see my own children as like, these perfect children of the divine, of source, of God, or of whatever you connect to as like the creator of all life, the one source that is like flowing through us in these, physical forms that we are it. And this is the journey of like realizing that we're all that is, and this is how we love ourselves unconditionally. And it's breaking codependency, because you're not depending on your biological mother or father who may not have been able to give you what you needed as a child, and it's not their fault. They didn't receive it either. It's like, how do you know unconditional love unless you've truly, felt it and felt it for yourself? So anyway, also another tip with your picture is you can put it on your phone, like screenshot it, and then like, look at it throughout the day, connect to your inner child. And this is super powerful and a really amazing self-love practice. And if you do it, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this content, like and subscribe. It helps out my channel. And check out my comedy channel, The Chicks of Quantum Comedy. I do that with my sister, Creative Manifestation. See you guys. Love you. Peace. Bye.